up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day.
Hi, good day. This is Prexyll from vidz, and welcome to this journey. And for today, it's only 6 o'clock in the morning, but we can see here the sun is scorching hot. This is the reality of the summer in Saudi Arabia, and we are here in Jeddah. So we will continue to this journey, and we will try to experience the differences between summertime and the last time we are biking, that the temperature or the weather is still very fresh. So this is the first runabout here in Prince Sultan, and I will travel further southbound to check and to realize the summer season. So thank you once again for joining me in my journey this morning.
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared.
The humidity level is very high, and it's very difficult for biking or cycling, because also with the combination of the mask, it is feel like very difficult to breathe.
I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Now the weather is in favor of us and a little bit gloomy. That's why we feel more energy to continue to our biking this morning. So let's go on.
Bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder.
I still have many miles to go to fight in this slope this day. You can see the summertime biking here in the morning of Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Any place we will go in this day. So if you are new in this channel, you can help proving it by subscribing, and also you can like this video and leave comment down below so that we will know our next destination according to your suggestions. It's traffic light now in Kababji building. Proceeding to our journey.
If we only could talk just a little, find a place where the past is forgiven. You moved on, I am stuck in the middle. Tried to run, but there's nowhere to go.
One nice thing living here in Saudi Arabia, especially if you are an artist or art lover, is you can find mini structures of art like this. So this is runabout of the Prince Sultan and Al Khaladiya street, and later on we will continue further south.
Don't admit I want you back, no matter what I say. holding hands, smell your hair for a second. Just like I used to do, girl, it happened. In my dreams, all I see is the caption. Tried to run, but there's nowhere to go. Even in my sleep.
We are here now at Caladia Street with the sword runabout in the Prince Sultan Road. This is also another art structures, and I will show you now one very beautiful building from here. This is Al-Garawi Galleria. It looks like an old building, but it's actually a mall. You can see Caterpillar, Hush Puppies, Nike and Adidas store inside this building. This pole structure is actually a traffic camera here in the street. Now the sun returned and the humidity plus the hot temperatures, that is why I am rerouting my loop in this morning, and I will go from here in most vegetation part here in Caladia. Islands is planted this neem tree. My conclusion is this is very tough and a dry weather location. This is Al-Caladia Street, and that is going to the east, and the last part of that one is the King's Road.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty and
In Jeddah we have the King's Road and the Prince Road. It's actually, in the words of Arabic, it's called Malek for the king and Amr for the prince.
and now there's something in the air.
It is very good thing to bike and this road, especially in the morning, because it's very wide and also there's not much traffic you will experience.
Dreamy, breezy, we go easy.
So we can see neem trees and dates and bougainvillea flower planted everywhere. Common scene here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. And now it's almost 7 o'clock. That's why I'm the tree shaded area, so that I will not be more exhausted. The nice thing here in Jeddah is we can find this kind of roads, and not in the highways but in the residential area. So it is very cool thing when you are biking this kind of road.
Easy, easy on her tiptoes, undercover agents of the other.
So this is the King's Road, and I will continue to the right. And as you can see, the two pole over there is the desalination plant here in Jeddah. The fresh water is coming out to the sea, so they will have a process in before reaching to the houses, establishments and buildings. So So I will continue to the northern parts and returning to my place.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond low, dreaming.
Time is 7:30 in the morning, and I don't always biking this time because the traffic build up, especially normal working days. I am here now at the Stars Avenue, and that is the corner of Sari Street and Kings Road, and they have a nice and greeny park over here, and we will continue on that way.
Hear the water run, river's gonna cry when you're gone.
So if the road or you have an explosive lane like this, it is very nice.
Where you go? Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call.
If still the morning is always like this, there is some kind of balance, humidity and also heat. Still it is good time for biking.
Memories, river's gonna cry when you're.
We can also find here some baliti tree. I don't know what is the name in English. Please help me and comment down below. So still the sun is scorching hot, but we don't have pain in the skin. So I reroute from this road so that I can relax again and feel peace, especially when you are cycling. Later on I will go to the left, bounding to north. This ride is very enjoying, and also it is really profitable for the health when you have the cycling every morning. Many runabout here in Saudi Arabia we can find like this. It is a perfect blending of harmony and art and relaxation. So we still continue in that area to find some more art structures.
But when I get up, the lights come on, so take a good look.
This is also common plants here. It's a palm tree, but I don't know what kind of species this one, so you can help me comment the name in English down below. So come on, now it's time for continuing this ride.
Touch and go is what I know, but I can learn. I don't wanna cause trouble, I got a real nice attitude.
So at my back is the last structure we will go to this morning.
Well now, it's all very good. It's fun to pretend and we probably should.
It looks like a curved wood, but we still don't know the meaning, but it looks very relaxing and beautiful.
So baby, if you wanna last long, all time good or high, don't ask me why. 'Cause when I get up, the lights come on, so take a good look.
So I completed this slope in this morning, and the good thing, the first part, the sun is in favor in us, and there is a cloud that make it gloomy, and also we found a very great structure. So you can help to improve these channels, to grow these channels by clicking the subscribe buttons, and also you can like this video and you can click the notification bell so that you will be notified when there is new video coming. So this is Prexyll from Prexyll Vidz, and thank you once again. I'm saying leave your stress behind this road.
And I get up, the lights come on, so take a good look. 'Cause soon I'll be gone. Yeah, take a